All right, hello True Time Tunnel fans. We are currently in front of the Walker River, a little south of Lake Tahoe. Amazing river, a lot of history to it. There's some signs here I'm going to show you guys. Tune in for it. You guys can read it. I'll show you the scenery as well. Tune in for that, guys. All right, so let's just start our little tour here. First one right here is just a life of a water drop. Tells you a little bit the water, the river down here. You guys can read it if y'all want. This is the scenery. This one's a little different. Tells you about the trout that are in the river, in the Walker River over here.
The one that got away.
Yep, the one that got away. A little more information here. Journey of a Desert River. Tells you more here. You guys can read it. It's pretty cool. Tells you more about the river, the canyon, restoration, all the stuff that's happening around the Walker River. You guys can read it if you guys want to. Yeah, it's just a beautiful place. Honestly beautiful. There's one more sign all the way out here. More historical. Tells you about, well, the historical Walker River and the Highway 395. UK just coming up here. Just awesome. Rivers to the roads. Tells you a little more about it. Some history. You guys can read it. Awesome. Yeah, just a beautiful spot. Just to check out with the family. It's crazy. All right, guys. All right, True Time Tells here. We're about to leave, continue our journey up north towards Oregon. But again, a lot of history to the Walker River. Love it. A lot of history to it. If you guys love this kind of content, of course, subscribe, hit the YouTube channel, subscribe to it, hit the notification bells, hit the thumbs up. Helps me out do this kind of content. All right, see you guys on the next adventure.